I am Varsha. Frankly speaking, I was literally not prepared, and still, I mean, the question when it was asked that what's your passion, the question is still in my mind, and I'm not able to answer it because I think I can speak a lot about the passion, but I think I do not have a passion. It's a strange thing, but I would say that I have passion तो नहीं बोलूँगी कीड़ा जो बोलते हैं so that कीड़ा is there that to explore. This is what when I was kept on questioning myself, I realized just now that as of now I don't know whether I call it as a passion, but yes, to explore things is something that I really like it. And even I mean what he suggested about the definition about the passion, and that actually gave me some more thoughts that what is hobby, because I was preparing that okay क्या बोलना है मुझे, गार्डनिंग बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, what is my, but truly speaking, yes, that was the hobby. There are so many things. If I talk about my childhood, I was getting into age of 13. I'm not sitting here because I think I'm not louder. So that time, my passion was to getting married. Even at the age of 13, I wanted, and that too, I wanted to marry a farmer. That I will cook for him, I will take the food, and I will enjoy the village life. That was my passion. Later, my mom forced that you have to study more, you have to work. I was really not in a mood to work. But lately I realized that okay, ये जिंदगी है, काम तो करना है. And actually, I mean, I'm not getting into too much, but yes, I have a 25 years of industry experience in IT and entrepreneurship, which I thought that बस जिंदगी ने करवा दिया. But still, at that phase, I think I enjoyed every phase. But till that time, I mean, I'm still asking myself that मैंने क्या passion था उस time पर या अभी भी. I think I just gone with the wind. I do not had a passion. So I think now, even in yesterday's session, I mean, when everybody was talking about passion, and he asked me, "Mama, आपका passion क्या है?" That time I realized that yes, I do not have any passion. And then from yesterday I realized that मुझे कुछ तो करना है. I mean, passion तो होना चाहिए. Yes, I mean, there should be a purpose of your life. But parallelly, there is some more points that because I enjoyed my boredom always. I never get bored. I mean, जो करना है कर लेंगे. I can even when I was in office or in my entrepreneurship journey, or even when I'm a parent, I can do anything in any kind of challenges. Sometimes I enjoy challenges. So I don't know what is my passion, but yes, talking, exploring, meeting people. I mean, when I was done with my all responsibilities, responsibility means, okay, I'm done with my, I became a very good wife, a daughter-in-law, mother, and even I won many awards. But then I realized that बस बहुत हो गया. अब मैं this, I want to enjoy what is homemaker. I wanted to enjoy. But then again, I mean, I got into, while meeting, I got into several NGOs. And then I started meeting people and helping them to achieve their passion. This is what I felt that yes, maybe at that phase, I couldn't do anything, that I could not even identify what is my passion. Maybe that time there was a phase, because we come from a millennial background, so we do not had that kind of opportunities that you identify. बचपन में बस ये पूछते थे बड़े होके क्या बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, बस ये कॉमन क्वेश्चंस होते थे. So I never wanted that. But now yes, I wanted to explore, and even I mean same, I wanted him that at least explore. Then you pick up whatever your things are, because now I mean on the conclusion part I wanted to say that age doesn't matter, which I feel, whether you are 10 years old, 20, 30 or even 70, maybe later you will realize, but keep looking into different phases, different things, that what you want to do. So yes, right now I am enjoying. And on the last line, I think if everyone has watched even the different languages movie, the Three Idiot movie. There is a dialogue where Amir Khan says that "Jahan se knowledge aa raha hai, wahan se seekh lo." So that is something that I felt within myself. That, and I'm very thankful. He is actually registered registered for the class, but I am also just reinventing my life. That okay, there is a great vibe here. So I'm really enjoying standing here. I got my slip also, so thank you for that. That's all from my side.